The hillbilly.
This smells like banana.
Hey guys, so yeah, it's been about like 2 weeks since I last posted. I'm sorry about that. This video, it's not gonna be normal, kind of like my other ones, but I kind of want to be like this one person. His name is David Dobrik. He's right here. If you don't know him, please go subscribe because he's very hungry.
Fuck off!
This video, it's kind of like what he posts. It's like in different places, but in one video. And also, I'm thinking of making a new intro because I feel like it is too long. I haven't even started editing this video, so I'm gonna let you watch it. So,
Dad. Alright, I did a double. It's time to do a triple, bitch. God. Hey, Joe. Joe, what's your Instagram? I'll shout you out.
Guys, follow me at Joe. Christian.
Alright, and then it's gonna cut there and I wanna do another one. Fucking bitch, shut up!
Christian, you're racist.
I'm right. Oh, I'm sorry, you're a little hobbit. Alright, this is it. Fuck. Shut up, Joe. I fucking swear, you cunt. Yeah.
You know what they say?
Fucking swear. Fuck!
That's fucked up. Whatever full stump like that again. Want to give me a goddamn heart attack?
Your face.
No, I'm serious.
Your face.
Scared the shit out of me.
I was like, yeah, I feel like.
I thought it was a freaking smoke alarm. Did you see?
Is this vlog only family friendly?
maybe.
Shit. Okay then.
Hey, no, it's mine. Hey, you come up here. I'm actually about to reach in and get it. No!
Bye. Who wants Oreos?
Hold on.
Me. I'm fat. Love you.
Hey, do you know that all Chinese, Korean, Asian, no, Vietnamese people are basically Asian because they all live in Asia, kind of. Whoa! That was kind of... Woo! They're over there on the table. Wait, watch this.
You can't stop my vlogging life. Boys, just say go.
And thirsty.
Wow!
I'm dehydrated. Ow!
You're just drinking water, so that means you're talking about the sexual way.
I feel like peas, what? What? I didn't know. Oh, you guys know people care what? Just by the KKK? Something like truck, what?
Yep.
Whoa!
What?
Sophie secretly.
Black.
Veiny.
Oh.
And on we'll go.
You know?